it will make your life easier if you have an ICP.
Yeah.
You know, like it is so hard being everything to everyone because it means you've got to kind of present as being an expert on everything.
Yeah.
And it's so impossible to do that. And I've seen that a lot in professional services where, you know, as a junior, I would sit in BD calls with partners where they were trying to present as having expertise in an area where they didn't have a depth of experience. And I could feel it. The person across the table could feel it. The partner could feel it. And it just makes all those questions you get asked of, you know, have you done this before? Where have you done this before? What are your other clients? What are they doing? You just can't answer them.
Yeah.
And then if you think about the other things that you want to do, which is the content on LinkedIn or, you know, being across the landscape, like how many different areas, you know, environments can you really keep across to send quality information to people? It's just, it is so easy when you are an expert in a particular area. You live and breathe it. You're doing it all day long. You see things and go, oh, that's really good for this client. That's really good for that other one. It just all happens.
Yeah.
Whereas if you're trying to kind of make it up, you spend a lot of time trying to make it up.
Yeah,
you know?
that's right. That's like professional services, deep verticals, like focus there, go deep.
Yeah. No, I love what you're sharing here. And one thing I do want to ask, because I know that when we first started, and this is probably the most common, I guess, common question or common objection I get from individuals that are starting to do what you've sort of successfully achieved is the expectation on, if I start today, I want results tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
I just would love to get your perspective on sort of, you know, what was that time period when you had that, you know, it's like the hockey stick, right? Like, was it overnight? Did it take 3 months? Like, you know.
Yeah, that's a good question. And I'm trying to think back. It would definitely, of course, wasn't overnight.
Great.
You know?
That's a
It wasn't
response I
overnight, but
wanted.
actually, like, in some ways it was because I did get little wins, you know. But probably, maybe 1.5 to 2 years is when I probably sat back and said, I'm suddenly getting these all these opportunities through our inbound leads team. So people are coming to the website and saying, I want to talk about grants. I don't know who they were. I don't know where they've come from. How did that happen?
Yeah, because it's the work that you were doing prior, right?
And I could only assume that's, you know, that's what it was. And of course I asked all these people, how did you find out about me? And, you know, some people said, I saw you on LinkedIn, or others would say, a friend of a friend, or, you know, that kind of thing. But I honestly think it is me getting out there, and whether it's LinkedIn or at events or speaking to people. But yeah, it's that consistent and across different channels being active.